Hey there, it's me, Lisa. That's L-I-S-A. Lisa, and today I am playing Animal Bingo. That's right, I have to find all these animals. Do you want to come with me on a surprise egg hunt? Yippee! You do? Okay, awesome, come on. Now you need to help me find all the eggs. Let's go! Run! Do you spot that? Wow, look at that! That is a big egg. Whoa! And it is the color purple. Whoa! Okay, let's open it up. Whoa, what's inside? Wow! Who is that? Whoa! Can you guess this farm animal? I'll give you a clue. It makes the sound of woof, 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 woof. That's right. This is a doggy. Woof, 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 woof. Well, I love doggies. They are so much fun. Now, I better cross the doggy off my list. Can you help me find the dog? Rooster, sheep, horse, no, dog. There we go. I can give the dog a tick. I found the dog. Wow! Thank you for helping, Lisa. Now let's go and find some more. Run! I think I see one. Come on. Can you spot something in the grass? What can you see? Yeah! That's an egg. Whoa! And what color is the egg? Blue! That's right, Lisa loves blue! Now let's see what's inside. Whoa! Who is that? Well, the colors are white and black. I'll give you a clue. It makes the sound moo, moo, moo. Did you guess? That's right! This is a cow! Cow! Moo! Moo! I like cows! Whoa! Better take cow off my list! Whoa! Where's the cow? Look for the black and white! Whoa! There is the cow! Tick! I found the cow! Whoa! Hey! Do you know that cows produce milk? Yeah, that's right. They produce milk, and I sure love milk. Now let's go and find some more. Run! I think I have spotted some animals, and they are farm animals. But we have to be really quiet and not frighten them. Come on. Do you see some right over there? Look, who is that? I don't want to get too close in case they get scared. Hello? Hello? Who is that? Whoa! This actual farm animal is on our list to find. Look! Who is that? Hello, hello, hello. Whoa! That was a duck. Wow! Hello, duck. And look, we have a duck on our list. Right over here. Wow! So cool to see a duck. Now let's find some more surprise eggs. Run! Nothing in the tree. Can you see any in the tree? No? Okay, let's keep on looking then. Did you say stop? Did you see something in the flowers? Where? I can't see any in the flowers. Where did you say? In the flowers? But where? You see it? What color is it? Really? Okay. Oh, I see it. There it is. Whoa, look. Thank you for helping me find another egg. This is an orange egg. Whoa, I like the color orange. Now let's see what's inside this orange egg. Wow! Look at this. This is I'll give you a clue. Meh, meh, meh. Did you guess? Yeah, that's right. This is a goat. Wow, so cool. I better take the goat off my list. Help me find the goat. Remember, it has 2 horns at the top. There it is. There is the goat. Better take the goat off. Whoa! Yay, we did it! Yay, you are so good at finding eggs. Well done! Well, look, there are the ducks. They are back right there. They are so cool. Do you like ducks? Yeah, me too. Now let's go and find some more. Run! Do you see any? No? I don't see any either, but I'm not gonna give up. Come on. Did you say you saw an egg? Where? Where, in the trees? What trees? In here? No? But where did you see the egg? Over there? Oh, let me have a look. Yippee! Whoa. You are right. The egg is right over here. Wow. Whoa! This is a yellow egg. Yellow! Like all the daffodils. Look, we have yellow daffodils right over here. And they are flowers. Now let's see what's inside this yellow egg. Whoa! Who is that? Well, they are the color pink. Shall I make the sound that they make? Who's that? That's right, this is a pig. Whoa, I better put the pig inside my basket. Where is the pig? We're looking for the first letter P. Whoa, there is the pig. You see the letter P? P-I-G? Pig. Okay, we better take off the pig. Whee! Now let's go and find some more. Run! Something right under the tree. Yippee! Whoa, look at that. Wow, we found another egg. And this is a green egg. Whoa, let's see what's inside. Whoa, there's definitely something inside. Let's open it. Look, we found who is that? It is brown, green, and a bit of white and orange, and it goes quack, 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 quack. Who's that? Oh, you might know it. 5 little ducks. Do you know it? Yes, this is a duck. 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Do you like that song? Yeah, me too. This is a duck. Where is it? Oh, there is the duck. We better give the duck a tick. Whoa! Well, we have found so many animals. Now let's go and find some more. Come on! Run! Did you see any? You said you saw one? What color is it? Pink? Okay, where is it? Which way? Here? Oh, there it is! Thank you for telling me! Whoa! Look at this egg! Whoa! And it is the color pinky! Whoa, so big! Now let's see. Whoa, there's definitely something inside. Wow, look! This is what is it? Well, it wakes up very early in the morning and it goes cuckoo-dee-doo! Cuckoo-dee-doo! Well, who is that? That's right. This is a rooster. Whoa, rooster. So cool. Okay, I'm gonna put him inside and I better take off the rooster off my sheet. Can you help me find the rooster? Where? Oh, the first one. Thank you for telling me. There he is. The rooster, Yay! Now we need to go and find some more. Whoa, okay, we can do it. Come on, let's go and find some more.
Run!
Did you say you saw an egg?
Yippee!
What color was it? You said the color blue? Okay, by the flowers? Oh, there it is. There is the egg. Whoa. Thank you for helping me. Whoa, and this is a blue egg. Whoa, let's see. Oh, I can definitely hear something inside. Okay, let's see what farm animal we have inside. Whoa. Who is that? Wow, it is the color white. It has an orange beak and orange feet. And what sound does this animal make? Ga, 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 ga. Did you get it right? That's right, this is a goose. Whoa! Whoa, I like a goose. Okay, let's put him inside. Whoa, okay, can you help me find the goose on my list? Where is he? So remember, he's white and he's got an orange beak and some orange feet. Whoa, where is the goose? Right there. Okay, we need to find some more animals. Come on. Remember, if you see an egg, shout, Lisa, we can see the egg, okay? Come on.
Run!
Nothing underneath this big tree. What about this small tree? Nothing here. Nothing up that tree. Can you see any other eggs? What color is it? Oh, it's right over there. Thank you. Whoa! Here is another egg. And you are right. It is the color pink. Wow! Let's see if anything's inside. Yep, I can hear something inside. Let's open. Whoa! Now I think you definitely know who this is.
Yippee!
It is the color white and it is very fluffy and it goes ba ba ba. Who's that? A sheep! Well done! You are so clever. This is a sheep. Help me find the sheep. Whoa. There it is, look. It's like a white fluffy cloud. Okay, tick, 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 tick. Whee! There we go. Okay, now let's go and find our final egg. Do you think we will find it?
Yippee!
Yeah, of course we will. Come on, because you are so good at finding eggs. Come on.
Run!
Do you see one? No, not yet. Okay, let's keep on looking. Are there any on this tree? You said there is? Where? Whoa! You are so good. Right over here. Whoa! Look at this. The final egg. And this is a blue egg. Let's see if we can hear anything inside. There's nothing inside. Let's try again. No, I can't hear anything. There's nothing inside this egg. Where is the animal? Where is the animal? Is this animal? What? You said there's an animal? Where?
Yippee!
A horse? I can't see a horse. Where is the horse? Surely there's no horse. Above my head? Where? 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 Look up. Where? Whoa! There is the horse! Whoa! Can you knew straight away it was a horse? And I love horses. They make the sound eeyaw! 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 And this is a brown horse. Have you ever been horse riding? Oh, okay. Lisa has been horse riding and I love horse riding. Whoa! Well, we have found all our farm animals. And I better take this one off my list too. Look, let's find the final animal. Can you see the horse? Oh yes, right here. Let's give it a tick. Whee! We have found all our animals. Yay! Hey, now that we have found all our farm animals in our surprise eggs, do you want to sing a song? Old MacDonald had a farm. Yay, me too. Okay, let's start.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on its farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-o. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. And on its farm he had a dove, E-I-E-I-o. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. And on its farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-o. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. And on its farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-o. With a boink boink here and a boink boink there, here a boink, there a boink, everywhere a boink boink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. And on its farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-o. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o.
Oh, you were so good at singing the Old MacDonald had a farm song. Well done. Woof, woof, woof. Hey, eeyaw, eeyaw. Hey, what is your favorite farm animal? Really? Whoa, and you like that one too? Whoa, that's cool. Lisa's favorite farm animal. Well, I really do like a horse. Eeyaw, eeyaw. And I like a doggy. Woof, 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 woof. Whoa! Is that a piñata? Whoa! It's so cool! And what is the shape of this piñata? Yes! It is a hot air balloon! Whoa! Well, shall we see what's inside? Yay! 1, 2, 3! Whoa, what do I have inside? Whoa! Kinder egg. Whoa! And then I can have a surprise inside. Whoa, then another Kinder egg. Whoa! Then look, I have a bunny. Hop, 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 hop. Let's see what else I have. Whoa! Another Kinder egg. Yay! Whoa! Let's see what else I have. Whoa! Some sweeties. Look, the colors green, yellow, and red. Whoa! That's gonna be so yummy! Yippee! I can have them right after my dinner! Whoa! I had so much fun finding all these surprise egg, and then looking for the animals. And then who else? Sheep. Bah, bah. Now, I can't wait to see you in my next video. And before then, search for my name. That's L-I-S-A. Lisa. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, did you subscribe? That's the big red button underneath this video. Press the subscribe button and give Lisa a big thumbs up. Press like underneath. Okay, thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Wow, eggs. Pink, yellow, pink and yellow, pink and yellow, pink and yellow, pink and yellow. Blue, purple, purple and blue, purple and blue, purple and blue, purple and blue. Bye-bye.